Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 26 in learning Arabic letters. Today we have this letter ha, ha, same like H in English. Ha, he, and who. Okay, so it doesn't have any difference from pronouncing from English, but how to write it, maybe it has a special style in writing. So we will make a cover like that, like umbrella, and rotate like this the circle inside. So can be cover, line, and circle inside. Okay, but this is in the beginning of the word, we write it this way, but in the middle sometimes it comes like that in some fonts, like a ribbon like this. For example, if we start this with letter ma, M, okay, or sometimes it will come like that, just down like this. Okay, so I'm giving you this example because maybe you will find a word written this way and you cannot read it, so you need to know that sometimes it will come. This is ma, the previous letter ma. This is ha, and it can be like this also, ma, ma, ma. Okay, so this is letter ha. Also we can mention that ha, when it comes to a at the end, it will be like that. This will explain later. Okay, so when it comes at the end we will pronounce it as ha also, but we won't compare it with another style of this ha in the end. We will compare it later because it needs some explanation, so we'll delay this one for later. So now ha, if it comes with fatha it will be ha, with kasra it will be he, with dhamma ho. Thank you for watching and follow up for more.